it's an indicator that's live right now because now you can look back and research what you've done wrong. How can you make it better? That's like miles away, light years away. That's freaking brilliant.
Yeah, yeah, and I mean, like, I'm starting to realize more and more because we spent so much time on back testing and strategy development. Like, that's kind of our strong suit, but it's also like really, really hard to do. I mean, like, we went for like the most difficult thing we possibly could do. Now, like looking back on it, but like the much simpler stuff is just like allow you to do the analysis and to trade, right? Like, that's so much easier to do than like create a strategy, back test it, and run it, right? So now we're doing a lot of that stuff that these other brokers are starting to work on, like Public and Robinhood. They're starting to do that, and I think we could beat them to the punch because I think we just generally move faster than them. You know, like these big companies, they tend to move very slowly, right? So I think we could beat them in terms of speed. But yeah, and then we're also working on this other feature that's kind of half baked right now, where there's like this dashboard tab, right? And I still don't think it works properly yet. Someone was actually mentioning this dashboard. Yeah. Well, actually it shows something. It's empty, but it shows something. But yeah, basically these dashboards would be more like permanent fixtures. So it's almost more like a trading view type thing. Like you could like add more indicators to it and you could like really customize your dashboard. That's it's not only graphs, but it's like account value, cash positions, market value. You could show like all sorts of things on this dashboard. So you could set up your strategy to say, hey, I'm trading Palantir. I care about these indicators. I care about these positions, whatever, right? And you'll have a dashboard that shows you that and updates automatically as things progress, right? So it's like connected to your bot and updates as your bot is reading things, right? So it's like a really good way of like keeping in touch with what it's doing, right? That's like the other big thing we're working on in this regard, like around like indicators and graphs and things like that. Cool. Awesome. Any other questions or comments while we're on the topic? Okay, cool. So let's see where we're at with all this stuff. So we were working on these AI things last week. Let me see if I could find where that was. Dum. So many different conversations here. Where the heck is this? Oh, there it is. Okay. AI trading team. Okay, so this thing did not finish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our new AI models. Please explain to me exactly why this did not complete and what is the game plan for you to get this thing done so you can show me some back tests. I don't care how you do it. I want you to actually get me to a point where I see a 1 year back test for all of these different things. Why did you stop? Yeah, so see what it did. It worked for an hour, could not complete the full smoke, what I got done, created, verified four separate things. Okay. Yeah, so we're working on the Ray Dalio AI and then the leveraged version of the Ray Dalio AI, and then the Citadel AI, and then the leveraged version of the Citadel AI. So those are the four, right? And then we're saying verified Alpaca News works with the saved Alpaca News API key. Fred works started the Ray 5 day smoke. It reached it up, but stalled before a trader orders because Louisville's context pruning was expanding the request. What? Force stop the smoke to avoid wasting tokens. Runtime did not start 1 year runs because BotSpot is still running. Da da da. I fixed loop about locally. Okay. And by the way, we released a way newer version of LumiBot. We haven't spoken for a week or two. So just keep that in mind and check where we're at right now because the new Louis Bot version should be out now. Okay, cool. So presumably this thing can get it to work. If you guys haven't tried 5.6 yet, this is a really powerful model. GPT 5.6, I've been very happy with it lately. Like it clearly has a really nice upgrade from before. Every time they do an upgrade, it's like everything just gets easier, you know. So that's the AI trading team. So we'll see where we're at with that. That's gonna it's good. We'll get it to start up now, and then that takes a while to back test, so we'll give it some time. And then I know another one that we've been talking about is the Alpha Picks options strategy. Let's see where we're at with that one. I think that's been running for a bit. Let's see if it's still running. My bots. Alpha Picks calls only. Degraded. Last run failed live. Okay. Schedule needs attention. Okay, so there's some sort of issue here. We've been working on making everything like a lot cheaper and faster to deploy as well. So this seems like there's some sort of thing here. Can you tell me what happened with this one? First of all, also give me two new approvals, and then tell me what happened with this one here, and maybe we got to restart it or something. Yeah, because this thing's been running on Tradier. Let's see how it's doing on Tradier. I worked on some improvements to it. Actually, there's another, where is this? Yeah, this is the one that Andrew was asking for last week. Implement a core plan across, da, 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 what changed? Verification, 28. Okay, cool. So that looks good. I'm gonna upgrade this to 5.6. Can you please like actually run the evals or something? I think we already ran them and proved that they passed. I think another agent may have done that. So don't waste a ton of money here, but maybe just run them all once without repeating 3